actually just on the way out. Real multitasking when mobile operating systems were still in their infancy. But today, the climate is slowly changing. The Note series is not alone anymore in the tablet phone world. For example, the LG G3 is a compelling alternative with floating multi-screen features and hardware navigational features of LG's own invention. The Note series has always led the way in terms of specs and has always been future-proof. And as you're about to see in this video, it doesn't look like much is going to change this time around. Let's dive straight into the details of what the Note 4 is shaping up to be. Let's start with the build and materials. A lot of us would like to think that a premium soft touch finish or a tasteful metallic flare will come to the Galaxy Note series this time round, but realistically it's most probably going to be plastic. Plastic is durable, but not everyone's cup of tea. I'm just hoping that there's no dimpled back here. Most current signs, such as the Galaxy S5, strongly hint that the Note 4 will be water resistant and dust proof. Alright, so let's move on to the screen. Although the trend in screen size for the Note series tend to increase by 0.2 of an inch every year, Samsung may not want to increase the size of the device this time round. If you look at the Note 3 right now, they can't physically add that much real estate without increasing the size of the device again. Korea Times are stating that there's going to be a curved version of the Note 4. I'd say it's probably going to be a spin-off well after the initial release. GSM Arena reports that the Galaxy Note 4 will come with a 5.7-inch 2560 by 1440 resolution 515 ppi display, putting it right in line with the LG G3. And once again, it's most probably going to be AMOLED. Although such a screen is awesome and will no doubt look incredible, I personally see such a resolution as a bit of a waste without any form of video output to a larger screen. It's really going to just be a major tax on the GPU during gaming and other drawing and rendering applications. But it's not all bad news though, because we're going to have a lot more power in the Note 4. Let's move on to that. The engine behind this digital machine will probably be the Exynos 5433 and the Snapdragon 805 for some regions. The regions that get the Snapdragon 805 would be pretty happy with that. The 805 is a new generation from the Snapdragon 800 and 801 because the CPUs are now made up of Crate 450 cores instead of 400s. And the GPU is now the mighty Adreno 420, which is 40% more powerful than the Adreno 330 found in most current flagship phones.